Hello students, now today we are going to solve some questions on arrays as our syllabus of array according to our ICSE has been completed. The single dimension array has been completed. Now we are going to do some questions, some theory portions and output questions. Okay, that will be very helpful for your further study or revision. Now see some questions are there. First is this is your ICC 2014 questions. We are going to solve them. Find the errors in the given program segment. Rewrite the statements correctly to assign values to an integer array. See, we have to find out error in this question. Int a new int 5. Okay, their loop is there. I is 0, I equal to 5, a array I is equal to I. See, the first error foremost is that we will see that the 5 is within bracket. It is wrong. So the array is in your square bracket. See, in the first line the variable must be square and 5 must be inside the square bracket as new int 5. Okay, the first error is there, and second error is there that we can say I is 0, I less than equal to 5. This is wrong. When I starts from 0, then it will be not less than equal to 5. It will less than 5. Okay, so this is wrong in array because memory starts from 0. We will take it will work till 4. Okay, till 4 we will get 5 memory locations. So this is wrong. I less than is equal to 5. So in the second line the relational operator must be less than instead of less than equal to. Okay, the correct statements are written here. See, the correct statements are like this. Okay, now question number 2 is there of 2013. If int n array considers these numbers 1 2 3 5, what are the values of x and y? Okay, what are the values of x and y? X is mat dot power 4 raised to the power 2. Okay, now 4 raised to the, what is the element in the 4? See, 0 1 2 3 4, it is 7. Okay, the 7 will be here and n will be the power for that. It is means it is 3. 7 raised to the power 3. What will be the answer? The answer is here 343. So the value of x will be 343. Now math dot square root. Second is a math dot square root we have to find. And 5. What is the value in 5? 0 1 2 3 4 5. We have got 9. Okay, 9 plus, what is the value in 7? Okay, 9 plus 7, 9 plus 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, it is 16. It means 9 plus 16, what will be the value? If we will plus 9 plus 16 for the square root, the value will be 25. And the square root of this, what is this? It is 5. Okay, so the answer is here. Now you all have to do this very you have to pay attention towards there how it has been done. What is an array? Write a statement to declare an integer of 10 elements. Array, as you all know, is a continuous memory locations. Okay, it deals with one data type. Okay, number of variables with the same variable name but different subscripts in order to deal with. Here we can initialize array like this also, like this also. Okay, this is your declaration of array. Now next, name the search or sort algo that now we have to name which type of array is this. Make several passes through array, selecting the next smallest item in the array each time and placing where it is belongs in the array. It is selection sort. Okay. At this each stage compares the sort key with the key value of the middle element of the array. It is your binary search. Okay. Now next question is there. State the total size in bytes of the array 4 of char data type 4 of float data type. See what will be the size in bytes if the array is 4, okay, in bytes of character and in float. So in the byte it will contain how much? 8 bytes, because of one character byte we know that it is of 2 bytes. Then 2 into 4 it will be 8 bytes. Like that, in float has got 4, so it will be 4 into 4 bytes. This means it contains your 16 bytes, okay. Now, what is difference between linear search and binary search? Here, I have told in the previous PPT that linear search is done in the sorted and unsorted data both, but binary search needs to be take place only in on your sorted data. Now, this is important. What is difference between length and length? If we write length without bracket and we write length like this with bracket, okay? See the word here without bracket, here with bracket. Then what is the difference between this? Length without bracket is used to find out the length of an array elements, okay? This is to find out the length of the array element, and this length is used to find out the number of characters, or what length function is used to find the length of the string. We find it is usually used to find the length of the string. So these are the both differences, okay. What do you mean by initialization of array? When we initialize of array like this within a curly braces, that then this is your initialization, when we do not give the size on of array. And what is now subscript of an array? The cell number of the array under square. The cell number, whatever the cell, suppose 8, 9, 6, what here, 6 is here as your example. Then 6 is your subscript of the array. Now, name the technique that can be used to join the elements of two different arrays in single. It is known as merging. When we join two arrays, then it is known as merging. What will this code print? Okay, see int new int system out dot println 0 0 0 value stored 0 garbage value. It will just print garbage value because it is of no use, okay. No value is there, no looping is there, so this code will be print u as a garbage value. Now if x is here values, what will be the values of p and q? See here x dot length will be find out 0 1 2, length is from 1 1 2 3 4 5 6, length will be 6, and here we will find out the value x2, what is at the 2, it is 7 plus 5 into what is at the 5, 10 into 1, but 5 into 10 is your 5. Here is a 5, what value we have got in the 5? 10. And what value we have got in the 1? It is 3. So 3 into 10 is 30. 30 plus what in 2 we have got 7, it will be your 37. So answer is here 37. Now there is a one program also, solved array of string. We are going to write a uh, we have to accept a string in a single dimension array, and we have to arrange a letter in a ascending order. Display the, and we have to display the new word also. Suppose blue jay is there, then we have to write it on a ascending order, B E J L U, like this. Okay, see how the program has been done here. See, sorting has taken place. Here we have done bubble sorting. Okay. Now character. Here first we have find out the length. Till the length the string will work. Then we have taken out one character, as in the string program you must will be knowing. I have tell you that whatever the string program have to come, if there is extraction of the string, then you have to first take, before loop you have to take out the length, and within loop you have to take out one character, okay. So here it is how we are going to do. Now the sorting has been, as you have done the sorting, and like this we will take out one character from the string. See, the sorting has been done here. Okay. Now all the questions and this program should be in your register, in your classwork copy, in your computer copy. I'll send PDF of this PPT. Okay. The work should be very neat.